Today we're doing another lot in the same unit we were before, but today we're actually gonna do a filming of the common areas, which are amazing. This unit had stables, which, where can you find that? Nowhere. This is such an amazing gated community. It's just unbelievable. Right on top of Las Palmas in San Indios is just great. Let's look at the lot. This is the land that we're talking about. 6,400 square meters. Yes, it looks like it's got a little bit of grass on it, but it's amazing, because right here you can build your dream home. Actually, the homes right here are just great. Not really too much to see right here when we're talking about lots. Let me tell you about this. This is a lot, like an acre and a half, give or take. And you can do here up to like 15% in one lot, meaning that you can build 50% in one first level underneath the roof. So you can do 2 levels. So you need them? I don't think you do, but look at the view. Look at all this. This is amazing. The units just down the corner, over that ridge. And these are all mansions right here. And we're only like 20 minutes from the city, 5 minutes away from really good restaurants. So it's amazing. Now, let's go look at the amenities. And when I'm talking about the amenities, it's the stables, okay? Because this unit has stables, which is great. Now, look at these common areas. They're just great. Amazing. I'm just gonna do a little walk around and show it to you. Got stables back here. Now, there's about 40 acres of land right here that come with that lot, so you can have your horses. All this. Pretty much part of it. Beautiful. And now let's go look at the rest of this, of the common areas, the stables and everything. This is the entrance to it though, which is beautiful. We just saw it when we were coming down. And there's a lot of ample space. And look at all this ample space. And look at the horse stables. Now let's look at them. Look at these common areas. They're just great. I love them. So, if you're a horse lover, this is the perfect unit for you, because you get all this stuff. That is the party room, I guess, the common areas. Got this stuff right here. This place is just perfect for weddings and birthdays and so on. Very well maintained. It's just gorgeous though. This is one of those properties that we say, wow, I really like this. Now let's go look at this. Another enter to the stables. Look at this through here. And all this is part of that beautiful, beautiful enclosed gated community. Very special, super high end. I mean, this is for those that deserve and can afford the best. Very simple. Horses. Hello, horsey. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. This is one of those properties that are ready for you to come and enjoy. Bye-bye.